Na-realize mo na
Bakit nga ba mahal kita?
niloloko ka na pala talaga.
Baka walang loob!
And then you ask this to him. Is it over? Are you really over? Is it over? Or will you take her back again? If it's over,
Naman ang lamig lang siya.
you can let her memory come on over and let our love begin. You say you can't count the times that she's hurt you, and she's hurt you for the last time. Now you say I'm the one that you're needing, but is the need in your heart or just in your mind?
Yes, yes.
Is it over? Are you really over? Is it over? Or will you take her back again? If it's over, you can let her memory in. Come on over, we'll let our love begin. This time you were broken.